I have seen.
Let's start, Kiran. Ask you.
Sir, I want to ask to you that how much video watching English videos can improve our English? Like if we see any English movie or any English video, so do you think that these kind of activities can improve our English skills?
Good, Kiran. First, I want to say that how to improve English speaking. Okay, if you want to improve your English speaking, so you not only watch English movie and English videos, and you should have do some types of work. That is most important. English is most important in this time. You know that very well, and every Indian people know that. And if you want to get success, if you want to become a genius and successful and powerful people, so English is most important. English is not only language this time, but also a skill. And let's come to the point how to improve your English speaking. There are three types of things that is most important. First thing, just like every day, I'm giving you a structure, I'm giving you formula in English speaking. That's formula you should remember and open your diary, and you will have to diary and open your diary and remember every day, just like formula. And after then, you should speak sentence for every time. हर समय आपको सेंटेंस बोलना चाहिए. जस्ट लाइक कैसे, मैं बताता हूँ आपको एक डेमो. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू वेजिटेबल मार्केट, अंडरस्टैंड किरण, आप एक सब्जी मार्केट जा रहे हो एंड देयर यू वांट टू व्हाट, जस्ट लाइक यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस मार्केट. यस, दिस इज मार्केट, दिस इज वेजिटेबल मार्केट, this market is very nice. And if you want to purchase vegetables, so definitely you need to come this market, and this market price is also very good. And vegetable, if you want to purchase fresh vegetable, so definitely you can get here. थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस आपने बना लिया ना, एंड देन अब हमारे हाथ में एक मोबाइल फोन है. आप किसी क्लास में हो, आप किसी ऑफिस में हो, सो देयर यू शुड ट्रांसलेट. या दिस इज माय ऑफिस, दिस ऑफिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, and I want to do job in this office, because you know that here, Kiran, this office
Yes.
environment is so nice. It doesn't matter salary, but if I will do work in this office, after then I can learn here a skill. This is the first thing. You want to develop your English, you will go to any ever you are thinking eating tea. आपको सुबह सुबह चाय मिलता है, चाय पे 5 सेंटेंस आप अंग्रेजी बोलिए ना. This is tea, this tea is very beautiful and taste is so nice. And my mother makes tea, and I love tea. But I don't love tea for more times. I only take tea in one time in morning time. Tea is most important, but green tea is most important. I don't want to other tea. Green tea is good for health, and if you are taking tea every day in morning green tea, so your health will be better. Understand? This is the first thing that is you need to do every time. Translate in your mind. And sentence practice. You are going to anywhere, and if you want to see anything, that is you should translate in your mind. That is most important. And second thing, you should try to learn, read newspaper. Newspaper is most important. You know that if you are reading to other language, it means of the book language and different types of language. So maybe that language will be difficult. But if you are reading in newspaper, just like Times of India, it's a good newspaper, and language is also very good. So you should try to read newspaper, and just don't try to read for all news. It's your interesting news that is better
Yes,
for
sir.
you. And third thing is also if you are watching television, so there you want to see cartoon in English. Cartoon, you know that little bit child watch cartoon channel, and that is very impressive. So you should try to watch cartoon channel, and this is just like little things. If you are and most important, you should try to speak front on the mirror, but mirror is not available this time, so you should try to speak front on the camera. That is most important for you. And there are a lot of things available, Kiran, but this thing is most important. You can do in starting basis.
So
Next
thank you.
question for you, Pooja. Yeah.
How to pretend from COVID. Now these days, COVID is most important thing in our life.
Yeah.
But precautions we take? We should
What do you want to
take.
say? Please repeat. Yes,
What
Pooja, repeat.
precaution we should take?
What?
Yes,
Your
sir. Am
sound
I
is
audible
not.
now? What
Yes, yes, continue.
precaution? What precaution? What precautions we should take in the COVID?
Yeah.
हमें क्या precautions लेनी चाहिए कोविड से बचने के लिए?
Pooja, 1 second. I'm going to try to give you an answer, but
Question point
I
now.
hope. And you know that COVID is this time very dangerous for every people. And firstly, it's my thinking, and I am also doing some types of things. Firstly, you should try to eat fresh vegetable. That is most important. And just like that, fruits are also most important. And that is most important for your immunity. You don't do exercise for long time, 1 hours and 2 hours. That's you need to do exercise every day, 15 minutes. That is most important. It's my points of view, Pooja. 15 to 20 minutes you do exercise in morning, and just like that is most important, Pooja. And no any doctor said you these types of things. You know that sun is most important. Every people and every nature just like depend on sun. So you should go in morning on your roof, and after then pray to sun, and just like to eye contact with sun, and that time sun condition will have to red in morning, maybe 6:30 to 7 o'clock. This situation you will get, and that is most important. You don't watch more news channel. That is most important, because if you will watch news channel, then your immunity level will have to very low. And you should entertainment, talk positive, and you will try to always positive and think about your future and think about your learning this time. And that is most important, Pooja. It's my personal thinking. Maybe COVID is a disease, understand? So just like also pray to God this time. That is most important, because God is everywhere, and you should try to pray God. And because positive energy, that is most important in your body, in your mind. And just like that is the simple things, and put on mask every time. Just like if you are going to out of your home and out of like that anywhere, so that is important of mask. And if your mask is okay, after then you are safe. It's my personal points of view. I am not a doctor, so I will say that you do these types of, yeah, that is most important. One thing, you should try to drink not for cold water. You should try to always drink morning and evening boiled water. That is most important. Water is most important for your skin, for your health, for your immunity, for your mind, and for your everything. It's my points of view. This is I can't explain more, Pooja, but it is very helpful for our body. It's my points of view.
Yes, sir.
You are maybe you are
It
doing
is
already
just,
these types of activity, right or wrong?
yes. Yes.
Because because you know that Pooja, if you are in discipline, so you are safe. Discipline is most important, and you know
How to
that
know you? How to know कि I am doing this?
because you are
Everyone is
very
doing.
genius. You know that, Pooja, I am also astrologer. My father is astrologer. I am also a little bit astrologer, so I can judge. And you are in good discipline. It's my points of view. Maybe I am not a god. Yes. Okay, Mr.
You're right,
Vikas.
sir.
Yeah, Vikas, what's your question?
The next time I will ask the questions according
Yeah.
to your,
What's your question?
because you are astrologer. You are astrologer,
Yes,
na?
Pooja,
Then next time I
you
will.
know that definitely you should ask. I am a successful astrologer. This is not my profession. I am an English teacher. I am a motivational speaker, but I am not an astrologer. But I have good knowledge about astrology, because that is a very simple reason. I want to know about my future. I want to know about my negative and positive point. That's why I learned about this. So this is my also interesting subject. And if you'll be asked any question after, then definitely I will give you, I'm going to try to give you perfect answer. Pooja. Okay, Mr. Vikas, carry on. What's your question?
Okay, sir. Sir, first come into your mind when I say to you Uttarakhand.
That is
What
a
the
very
first
beautiful.
view comes to in your mind that out here people kind of people there. We are thinking, now your point of view, your imagination, we can say,
Mr. Vikas,
your places.
I know
Yes, sir.
that you are very genius. You want to know about my points of view about your Uttarakhand, and you want to promote
Yes,
Uttarakhand,
sir.
right? I also want to promote. Okay, Nelson, oh dear, but I'm going to give you perfect answer. It's running in my mind, and Uttarakhand is very beautiful, and Uttarakhand
Yes.
mostly people are very good. And just you know that I have a lot of friends belonging from Uttarakhand. Actually, you know that
Mm-hmm.
it's first coming in my mind. Maybe I'm right and wrong, but I don't know actually. Uttarakhand people has just you know that it's a great people. Great people. It means of the they don't think about the just like that cheating of the other person.
Mm-hmm.
You know that I don't want to say that
Mm-hmm.
other state people name, but other state people, all of maybe 90%, 80% Indian people are thinking that why that person are improving, why that person are getting money, why that person has a lot of money.
Yes,
Understand why that
definitely.
people are successful. Understand this is thinking of the Indian people, but it's my points of view, dear. Uttarakhand people are great. They are, his thinking and his speaking and his communication in heart and mind, maybe it's good. And also for Punjabi, I want to say that Punjabi are also thinking about this types of points of view. They are supporting, naturally want to support to other people. But I want to say that just like all state people in India, just like that Indian mentality, why that people are improving. And Uttarakhand and Punjab, I don't want to say that 100% people, but they are supporting people are too much compared to other state. And you know that mostly Punjabi are in foreign, just like America, France, Germany. Why? But you know that other state people, I don't want to say that name, but if any person become a successful person, then don't want to say to other person it's a secret magic. What is secret magic? I am a successful person. How am I successful person? And how can I become a successful person? And how do I want to become a successful person? If you will be asked, then definitely I am trying to give you good answer. But it's a secret business funda that is don't want to say to any people. But Punjabi and just like that Uttarakhand, UK, its people are great. It's my points of view. There, Uttarakhand naturally it's so beautiful. So I also want to go in Uttarakhand, and I love Uttarakhand. Okay, but I did not go there, so that I have no more knowledge about
So
your
you never visit in Uttarakhand.
but I want to really go. After COVID, I will go Uttarakhand. Okay,
You
Mr.
have not
Vikas.
visit yet.
Yeah, I did not visit. Sorry,
Okay.
but I was listening with my friends and with my colleague. Uttarakhand is very beautiful place. Yes. Okay, dear.
Yes. So
Is more important at like in written, if we are writing something, so there is grammar, most important thing that we have to uh, care about it. And the second, when we talk in English, so sometimes it doesn't matter that we are going okay with the grammar. So what do you think that we should always follow the grammar in uh, in the talking in English?
Uh, Kiran, it's my points of view, grammar is most important. If you want to learn grammar, and grammar is most important, if you want to make impressive and attractive sentence, that is most important. If you will have to good knowledge about grammar, and you know that grammar has two types. First type like that is syllabus grammar. Syllabus grammar, it means of the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, PhD. If you have good knowledge, but you can't speak in fluent English from that grammar. But English speaking grammar will be different, more different compared to subjective grammar. And
Yes.
just like English speaking grammar, it's means of the little bit grammar, little bit small uses, just like that, and not only but also would would rather, had better, sometime. Just like you know that, I want to also give you one answer, Kiran. Mostly Indian people
Yes,
are
sir.
not able to speak fluent English. Why? That is very simple reason. Indian teachers don't know how to teach speaking grammar and how to teach syllabus grammar, and they are both are mixing. Understand? But speaking grammar and syllabus grammar, it's a big difference. Big difference. It means of the, just like English speaking grammar, it's interesting grammar, small grammar, and just like only use. In syllabus grammar, it's a samudra, just like unlimited. Understand? So that is most
Yes, sir.
important. You should understand what grammar I need. So you should try to only read, just like you know that मैं आपको एक डेमो देता हूँ हिंदी में, किरण, आपको समझ में आएगा कि आपको क्या पढ़ने की जरूरत है. समझ रहे हो? इस देश में अगर पढ़ने के लिए बैठोगे तो लाखों चीज है. भगवान बुद्ध प्रवचन दे रहे थे, तो उनसे किसी ने पूछा कि साहब आप जो ये प्रवचन दे रहे हो, आपसे मैं बड़ा गुरु हूँ. बोला ठीक है साहब,